Now, this video goes out to all of the conversion companies out there, particularly all of the ones I have had the pleasure of collaborating and working with over the past 4 or 5 years. The commitment, effort, creativity, passion that we see people putting in on a daily basis to provide these incredible adventure mobiles to people who are looking to change their lives for the better. I find it overwhelmingly inspiring, and I've recently been thinking about what I do and how happy it makes me doing this job. And companies are more often than not contacted when things go wrong, and it isn't always when things go right. Just wanted to take a moment to acknowledge these individuals. You guys out there, you know who you are. The folks that I work with on a daily basis who consult through Tiny Build Electrics. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. And I cannot wait to see what good things come our way next. Keep smashing it, guys.